These are, they're good, but they're, but yes, these are the ones. It's time for me to go to sleep. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leslie, if you don't know me. Today's video, we are going to be talking about these items. Now, I already unboxed them with you guys. Today, we are going to be talking about how they perform, what I think about them, so you guys can either save your money or spend some money. So keep on watching if you want to know what my thoughts are. Alright, so we're going to get started here. I actually used the items today, so this is not a different day or anything. I don't have any makeup on because I haven't worn any makeup all day, so I thought I would keep it real with you guys. I have not worn any makeup today at all. Today is Saturday. I've actually started out the day good and then ended up feeling a little bit sick, and then forced myself to feel better and did the hair and stuff review so I can have it up for you guys. Let's start with the scrub first, which is this right here. This is the TLC Happy Scalp Scrub. I have used it about 4 times now, and there's just a little bit left on there. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, like, because of the lighting. I can still see it on my part here, but I don't know if you guys will be able to see it. But it's just a little bit left now. This would be my 4th time using it. It does take out, like, the excess products that you have in your hair. I don't feel like it helps like with my scalp being so dry, but it does help with like product removal because of the product buildup throughout the week. I actually have been using my mousse, my hair mousse and hairspray throughout the week, and also dry shampoo. Now that the weather's getting a little bit warmer, my hair is starting to get a little bit oily, like on the front of my hair, so I have been using dry shampoo, more products in my hair to keep it from looking not so gross through the week, because my hair tends to get really oily around this time of year. That's what I feel like this helps with a lot. Like I said, it doesn't really help with my scalp being dry. I used it by itself just to see if it would help with that, but it didn't really help. But if you're looking for something for you know, product buildup or anything like that, this is definitely a good item for that. I don't feel like I'm gonna repurchase this one necessarily. I have other stuff in my hair stuff that helps do the same thing, so this one is a good one. Yes, it's not bad, it's not a bad product, but I don't feel like it's something that's gonna be a staple in my hair collection. So there's that one. I'll show you guys a clip of me actually applying it, which I really like the applicator. That I really love about it because it has the little nozzle thing here, and then you just separate your hair. You'll guys see the little clip that I'll put on here, but I just separate the hair and like put it on my hair, and then of course like rub it into that area, and then just keep going to the next part of my head. That is the scalp scrub. And then from there I took you guys into the shower so you guys will see the kind of lather that the shampoo has and what the conditioner looks like. By the way, all of these products have more of a natural smell, natural like ingredients kind of smell. None of this is scented to where it has like a strong flower smell or a strong musky smell or anything like that. It's very, very natural smelling, so you will find that if you don't like that kind of thing, these products are probably not going to be for you. But yes, very natural smelling. Reminds me of when I tried the Brujita skincare. That stuff was really natural. You could definitely smell it in the products. This is kind of the same way, just a little bit lower in the smell, not so crazy as that one, but you can still smell like those natural ingredients in the products. So next up, you guys will see me here in the shower using the shampoo, which actually has a very nice lather to it. I do feel like it, of course, helps clean my hair, obviously. It doesn't feel like it has any extra moisturizing ingredients in there, because when I take it off, my hair definitely feels dry after I take it off. So it doesn't have like an moisturizing ingredient in there for me, at least not for my type of hair. Like I said, my hair is already really dry, and so is my scalp. So this is the Comino glossing shampoo, and it looks like this. It does have a nice lather to it. I definitely feel like maybe a quarter sized amount was good enough for my hair, as my hair is short. If If you have longer hair, I would probably use more than just a quarter size. I don't know if you guys have used the Olaplex shampoo. That one, I mean, you can use a tiny bit of that shampoo and it has a crazy, real good lather to it. This one, I feel like you need a little bit more to get that nice, you know, lather, like you're actually washing your hair kind of feel to it. Just will need a little bit more, but this one I feel like it's not anything as well that is extra special that'll be a staple that I need to have in my collection, so I wouldn't go ahead and go purchase this one. Even though the big one of this is not too bad, I believe it's like $18. It's not too bad for a shampoo. There's other shampoos out there that are like run for $30, $40, so this one is pretty good. Like I said, it doesn't do any extra special stuff to it, at least not that I have noticed. My hair does feel soft, but I don't think that it's because of the shampoo necessarily. So that is the shampoo and my thoughts on that one. And then next up in the clip here, you guys will see me use the conditioner, which is this one. This is the Comino Marula Cream Conditioner, and it's the blue one. Now this one, the conditioner, I really liked. I do feel like it's actually conditioning my hair. You guys will see me run my fingers through my hair when I have this on. It definitely is conditioning my hair, and I feel like there's no tangles in my hair. Even actually after I have taken a shower, I still like can run my fingers through my hair pretty easily. It does not get tangled. I would definitely purchase the big one of this one just because I feel like it does really condition my hair, and it feels really nice and soft as well. I think this is the item that's making my hair feel really soft, so definitely would repurchase this one. And of course, this is just like a sample size, but they do have a big one, and I believe it's also about $18 or so. But there's that one. I really do like this one. It feels nice. Again, with the smell, it's just a nice natural smell, nothing overpowering, but you can definitely smell that natural smell. Next up, we have the Cream Body Cleanser. This one is nice. It does make my skin feel nice and soft. You guys will see me using this one as well with one of my loofahs, but it does feel nice and soft. I do feel like it leaves my skin feeling really nice and soft. Again, the smell is a very natural smell. I don't feel like it dries out my skin, which I like that. I don't like body washes that leave your skin feeling dry. So there's that one, and this is the Camellia Cream Body Cleanser, and it looks like this. And you know, gotta love the packaging on Drunk Elephant. They always have such cute, bright packaging. And then that is it for the hair and shower stuff, at least. Then we get out of the shower, and I'll show you guys the body lotion. This is the Silly Body Lotion, and it looks like this. And this one I really like as well. It leaves my hands feeling really nice and soft, as well as my arms right now. They feel really good. You guys will see from the clip me applying it. It applies really nicely. It doesn't leave you like a white cast. It shouldn't, but you know, sometimes some lotions can tend to do that. And there's my elbow there. It does not like leave it looking dry or anything. I feel like it really moisturizes my skin. So I really do like this body lotion. I would repurchase it. It doesn't have anything extra that I would say, oh, you need to have it, but it is a nice body lotion. I have other body lotions in my collection that I love as well, just as much as this one. The good thing about these products, like I'm saying, it has a natural smell, but that smell does not stay throughout like the day. For like this stuff, it's not gonna stay like smelling like you have this natural smell or anything of natural ingredients throughout the day. It really does wear off, and I'm gonna talk about that too with the deodorant that comes in this thing. But anyways, for this one, the body lotion, if you have any kind of allergy to scents or anything like that, or even for work, I think that this is a good one, because sometimes in some jobs, I know at our job, like they don't want anything too heavy scented, so that is perfect for that. That way you still feel moisturized and you don't have to worry about having an overpoweringly smell at work and people being allergic to it or not liking the smell or whatever it is. But yeah, it's a really good body lotion. The next item, I think that this one I will be repurchasing for sure because I really did like it. This is the Sweet Pity deodorant, and I really like this one. It looks like this. Now you can apply it straight to your armpit and just apply, you know, like you normally would, because it'll get all over this thing here and it'll get on your cap if you do it that way. Or the paper that it came with suggested that you can grab it with your fingers and just put it on, and of course you'll wash your hands right after that. But it's really up to you. I showed you guys in the video that I grabbed it with my fingers and then I put it on my armpit. So that's what I did. The thing I really like about this is, though, I feel like it works so much better than one of those bar deodorants. You guys know the white ones or the cream ones. The cream ones, I feel like they go off really fast and they feel itchy, at least for me in my armpits. Like it feels like it's itchy down there and I don't like that. The thing about this one is it keeps you dry. It really does keep you dry all day, and it's a natural smell. It doesn't have to smell like flour. You really do have that natural smell. I feel like what sometimes with those bar ones, like the smell of that bar comes through, like whatever kind of scent that you get, that scent comes through when you get sweaty or anything like that. But this one, I love this thing. I definitely want to repurchase like the actual size of this. I don't think this is the actual size. I do want to purchase the actual size of this one. I feel like it really does keep you dry throughout the day. It's really nice, and I said it's that natural smell, of course, and it goes away. You don't have that smell through the day, or not even when like you get sweaty or anything like that. It doesn't like throw off that smell. I feel like this is a really good one. I would definitely repurchase again. I believe I read that it is good for all skin types, even for sensitive skin. It doesn't make me itchy. I don't feel like I get itchy throughout the day. I know that I have felt that before with other deodorants in the past. This one did not do that at all. I didn't feel like I got itchy or anything. The natural smell, again, like I said, it really does keep me dry throughout the whole day. Like it could be really hot and I feel like it's keeping me really dry. I don't feel like I feel stinky or anything like that. Sometimes I feel like those other deodorants wear off through the day and then you still smell like you get stinky, you know. With this stuff, I felt like I can still like, you know, breathe, and it feels nice and it's breathable down there. I don't know if that makes any sense, but I did like it. So if I were to get anything from this collection, from this set, it would definitely be the deodorant. I really enjoy this one. So I would definitely recommend it to you guys. It's really good. I think it's a lot better than one of the Secret or Dove or whatever, those kinds of deodorants from the drugstore. I would definitely purchase this one. Once you guys use this, you guys will not go back. This one's really good. I've used Secret and Dove for a long time, and now that I've tried something like this, definitely I feel so much different. I've heard a lot of people talk about like these kinds of deodorants and always wondered, you know, I wonder if it'll work on me and if it'll be the same. And definitely this is really good. Doesn't have like any baking soda or anything in it, no aluminum or anything like that. It feels really good, honestly. I really like it and I would definitely be repurchasing this one. And last but not least, we have the Wild Marula Tangle Spray. So this one, it definitely does help with the tangles in my hair. The only thing is with the conditioner, like I said, I didn't really get to try it too much because whenever I did use it with the conditioner, it was already detangled. So I didn't have to worry about trying to use this because my hair was pretty much detangled. I probably need to use it with something when I use my other hair products. When I was using this conditioner with it, it definitely still, you know, detangled my hair. Obviously it wasn't too tangled anyway, so I didn't have an issue with that. I do like it. Again, it doesn't have a bad smell. It's just a natural smell. Again, it does not stay like in your hair smelling that way. They all have a natural smell, no flowery scents or anything like that. All the products in the line are that way, which I really like about it. If there's anything that I can tell you about Drunk Elephant, if you guys don't want any kind of scent or any kind of smell or allergic or anything like that, these are really good products just because everything is unscented. You can smell the natural ingredients in it. That's what you can smell, but it goes away. It does not last all day. And yeah, this one's the same way. yeah, you can't even really smell anything with this spray. It's just like I said, this one's pretty much unscented. You guys will see the clips of everything and me using it. But that is all I have for you guys today. Like I said, overall the whole collection for, I mean, what I paid for, I think it's like 50 bucks. So if you had a spare $50 to spend, definitely spend it on these products. Like I said, they are really good. Some of them are not anything that are like high expectations, but they are really nice products. They're good for their brand and the pricing, I think. But yeah, definitely the deodorant. This is the one. This is a good one. And the conditioner. Those are the two things. And I also like the body lotion. Where is it at? So these three products are probably my favorite three. Would be the body lotion, the conditioner, and the deodorant. And then of course you have your shampoo, the body cleanser, detangler, and the scrub. These are still good too. It's just you can find other products that work as well as these ones. These are the ones that are my favorite from this little travel size thing. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions or any comments or anything, leave them down in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think. Are you guys wanting to try any of these items? Is there another deodorant that I should try, like that's like this one? Because I don't really know much about these kinds of deodorants. So let me know down in the comments area. What do you guys think? What are you guys' recommendations? Let me know, please. I want to try different stuff. So anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Toodles!